So today we're gonna show how to create the TCP socket with the client and server. So I will open for the VS Code first. This is the uh, my code of the server and client with the TCP transport. And we are looking for the server first. In this, for the server, we import for the socket first and define for the host. This is so in this, so in for the server, I will determine for the zero price, low price, low price, low. That mean that this server will accept for the everyone that will join into my server, and the port I that is 8080, and will create the name of the function of socket, that is server socket, and write the name of the function of socket. This is socket by socket, and follow the name of family of the socket. That is socket point AFINet, and following to the uh, type of TCP socket. So I will write the socket point socket stream. If you want to change to UDP, you change the word from the stream to tree. Yeah. And next, I will connect for the server between host and port by using the name of byte, and it's looping. The server is running and listening on the number of the host and number of the port. And this is I limit for the number of the client by using the function of listen. And this is the five. This is the mean that I limit for the five client that can can join with my server. Yeah. And this is the function inside. So before connecting, it will show that waiting for client connect, and write the uh, I will write the function of the accept to connect between the client socket and IP address of the client with the uh, socket with the server socket. Yeah. Sorry. And after that, it will print the internet connection accepted with the IP address of the client, and it will send the message to the client. So I will create the welcome message. So the welcome to the TCP server is this sentence will send to the client, and I use the send out type of function to send to the client. So it's different with the send, because send out is uh, send the data until it don't have the data to send. Yeah, and I use the function of encode to show the to send the data in the type of UTF-8. That is UTF-8 is the type of language that we use. Yeah. And this is the function inside that we create to uh, to receive the data from the client to show in the server. That is the server will accept the data allow 1024 byte, and I will use IECV. This is the name of function to receive the data. Yeah. And use the name of the code. This is the function to to show the to show data in the type of UTP-8. Next, if it don't have if it don't have data, it will break on this loop, and it will code or the logging set. After that, so mm, so it's have if it's have except for the data. So before it showed before it showed data in my server, it will show that it will show the sentence that receive it from the IP address of the client and data. Yeah, and after that it will send that it will show the data in the server. Yeah. And next we are looking for the client. For the client, we are create the host that uh 127.0.0.1. This is the IP address of our Wi-Fi that we use. Sorry. So next, I will use the type of the socket. That is TCP socket. That is same way like the server, but it's just different, just a little bit. And after that is after we create the function of socket and type of socket, we choose to connect for the socket with the host and port. And after that, we connect it. We need to print it to show us to know that the server, sorry, the client and sorry, the socket and host and port is have have already connected. Yeah, and I will use I will use the get method to request the data from the server. Yeah, and use the send function to send the data from the get method to the server to request the data to the client. So it will receive the data allow 1496 by after is receive data it will print the response. After that it will close for the working. And if it have if it's no data to send back or it has something error, it will show the word that error and uh which response code. Yeah. And I will run on the server to show I will run the client in the command line. Check for the microphone first. Okay. So next I will to run in this code of TCP. Yeah. So in the command line, when we run the uh, client, this is connected. This is Wi-Fi that I use that I have determined in my code. Yeah, and this is the response code that send is sent back into the client. This is mean that everything is okay, no order. Yeah, and this data inside is have a HTML file and data of the content range, content type like that. So and the next uh, here the client TCP socket connect to material web page. Okay, so next I will open for the command line first, and I will um, write the Python in the command line. So in this, we can write the code of Python. So I will write from your sorry, it's a little bit that's wrong. Okay, I will function of the request to request data from the HTML web page. P response. So in this, I will use the URL open to open the data of the KMITL web page. So the REQ, that is the function of request that I use the function of request to request the data of the uh, TMITL web page to show me. So that so in this, uh, I will show the data in the type of UTF-8 by using the name of function of read to read the data of the KMITL web page. And after that, I will print the data to show. So we can see share anything and how to make sure that this is the true data. Okay, this is true data. KMITL. So I have many data I just um, here HTML file and somewhat I think it's HTML file. Okay. Thank you.